Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have rather an unusual unboxing for you with a bit of a story behind it. So if you will indulge me for a moment, I will give you a bit of a backstory on this and then we will get inside and see what is in there. So as some of you may know, I have recently become a bit of a fan of Vinted, having a look for some crafty bargains. And I came across this mug, which was just too perfect to resist. So I did no more than order it. But sadly, when it arrived, it was not the correct mug and also had arrived broken. But the lovely ladies over at Cursed and Curious, where I'd purchased it through Vinted, we had a bit of a conversation. It was a silly mix-up and turned out that they actually have an eBay store where they sell a lot of their goodies. And knowing that I was a fan of all things witchy and spooky, they offered to do me up a box of goodies to share with you all. And hopefully you guys will pop on over to their eBay store and see what you can find there for yourselves if you are interested in doing so. So what could have been a terrible disaster actually turned out to be a really lovely new working relationship and partnership. So I'm very excited to get inside and see. First of all, I'm super happy with my new mug. Whether I use it for tea, coffee, or just storing my pens and pencils, I'm not sure yet, but it will certainly be pride of place on my desk in some form or another. The package with the mug also came with this absolutely gorgeous Victorian rose pin, which I love. I've got a sticker, very similar design to this, with a hand holding a rose, that's on my laptop. So that was weirdly yeah, that word. So, but here is what we really want to have a little look at. So I cannot believe how gorgeous this little package is that they've sent me. It's almost too cute to open. I'm definitely going to be reusing this ribbon. So there we go. Got some lovely ribbon, which I'm definitely going to be using for something. It's got little ghosties on it. It's lovely. And I just, you know, they clearly are people who love what they're doing, and they really are doing it for the love of it rather than, you know, as some money-making scheme, which I think, you know, it brings a different energy to anything that you're doing. So let's, oh, is this a, yeah, I'm going to open it this way. Oh, this is lovely. This is like birthdays, Christmas, all in one. So it says, we hope you enjoy. Oh, I've got a little list of everything that's in here. Wow, they really have jam-packed this. And another little business card. So yeah, so they are Cursed and Curious. Yeah, the little QR code, which I will try and get clear enough on screen that other people can click on it. That will take you to their eBay shop, which is where they do most of their selling. Okay, wow. This is just a print, I think. Yeah, small poster, this is described as. Oh, she's lovely. I like that. That is definitely going on my wall. We've got, that's pretty darn perfect. Fancy hat witch bin. I mean, who else do we know that wears a purple witch's hat? Where? So yeah, could not be more perfect. Oh, there's a lovely smell coming from in here. Right, we've got a cleansing kit. So a lot of these items came from a company that no longer exists called the Spooky Box Company, who I think were a little bit like Witch Casket, but a bit more gothy and I'm tempted to say like less serious. So more for the aesthetic of being spooky and kooky than sort of any sort of religious stuff behind magic and witching. So this has got a baby sage smudge stick, Palo Santo wood, crystal, purification salt, white candles, anointing oil to protect, cleanse and purify. So there is some sort of spellcrafty stuff in here. Let's have a look. Yeah, we've got some white sage. Smells lovely. Some Palo Santo. Yeah. I'm hoping I'm in frame still. My camera's on a bit of a wander again. We've got some pink, probably Himalayan salt crystals. Ooh. The anointing oil. I think we have... Oh, I can still smell it in there, but it appears to be empty, so that's probably leaked out somewhere along the way. A lovely piece of clear quartz. And 2 candles. So yeah, so they had purchased basically the leftover stock from Spooky Box Company when they ceased trading, and are now offering it up at very, very reasonable prices via their store. So, oh, spooky pencils for wicked words. Oh, brilliant. Oh, this is very cool. We've got ransom notes, love letters, revenge, death threats, and blackmail. So definitely a different vibe to what we're used to getting. But I do love it. It speaks to my horror-loving heart. Oh, we've got a necklace here. This is either a poison bottle or a potion bottle, depending on, I guess it's got a skull in it, so possibly more on the side of poison than potion. It's very nice. It's on a very delicate little chain. Very nice indeed. Oh, we've got The Moon Made Me Do It on an iron-on patch. Oh, that's what I can smell. It's the Prosperity Incense. It smells lovely. Artwork by Lisa Parker. She does a lot of the cat in moonlight pictures that you see as diamond paintings quite often. So does it say what actual scent these are? No, it doesn't say what these are made of. It's quite a sweet smell. Very nice though. Maybe a basil in there that I'm picking up as the sweet. We've got a spooky spider charm, which looks like, I'm not going to say it's amethyst because it probably isn't, but it has a purple stone. They're cute. I've been talking recently about putting together a charm bracelet with all of the charms that seem to be coming in the witch caskets at the moment. So that'll probably end up going on there. What are you? This is makeup bag, perhaps? It does say there's a makeup bag. Wow. I feel very spoiled. Oh. Wow. Okay. Oh, wow. That's some chunky chain there to go on as a strap if you want to use it as a strap, and it says dark magic on there, so you can have it as a clutch purse or as a bag. Wow. Oh, it's running away from me. Wow. I honestly ladies, you have spoiled me. Thank you so much. This is an amazing collection of items. I hope that you will all go and tell them that you saw them on my site. We've got a little moon pendant there. It's lovely, chunky moon pendant. Very nice, on another very delicate chain. Ooh, I'm a little bit overwhelmed. We've got a witch rosette. I did, those of you that are in my live for the last couple of weeks will know that I did say I do like getting awards. So maybe there's that. this has got teeny tiny little bells and little moons. That's lovely. This is an ankle bracelet. Oh, that's such a lovely sound. Beautiful. Oh, earrings for the scientist. So yeah, poison earrings or potion earrings, whichever way you want to look at it. Lovely. They're on a hook back. We've got a little book of spells, a notebook and pencil. That's adorable. Perfect for keeping in your bag. Thirsty witch. This is fab. Yeah, just a nice travel drinks mug. Good for when you are a witch on the go. Let's go for some of these patches down here. I can see we've got local witch as a patch and witchy woman. This is a 2-pin badge of a besom. Absolutely beautiful. Love that. Oh, a pen. Love a pen. And this one says we've got high spirits, witchy woman, cast a spell, stay spooky, haunted and loving it, pizza and witchcraft, and then it goes round again. That's really lovely. I like that. It's a nice chunky pad actually. Jolly good. Oh, right. This looks to be some sort of crystal. This is a window hanging crystal. Oh, that is a weighty piece indeed. On a big chunky chain. And yeah, beautiful. Look at that. Lovely. That will cast some beautiful rainbows, which is really nice just for bringing in some lovely positive energy. We've got some washi tape. Love a bit of washi tape. Let's have a look. We've got little witchy books on it. So we've got witchcraft, necromancy for beginners, a grimoire and dark magic, and then it repeats around. That's lovely and nice and thick as well. Good for edging my pages. What do we have here? A dish, perhaps? Let's have a look. Oh, very nice. Little sort of cauldron bowl, possibly good for burning incense in. Does it say specifically anything? No, I can't. Oh yeah, cauldron incense burner is how they're describing it. Yeah, I found it. So that's lovely. I've got so much bubble wrap and wrapping over here now. Right, we're down to the last few things. We've got, these are maybe ankle socks. Let me look down the list. Yes, they are little fishnet socks, but they've got an adorable little bat on them. Very nice indeed. Love those. Breaking a Curse is a cushion cover. I like that. It's got lovely asame or sword design there. And I've got some cushions that will fit in a cushion cover that size as well, so that will be very nice. Maybe switch something over for the spooky season. I think this is the makeup bag. The other one was just the handbag. Total witch. yeah, that's your makeup bag there. Gorgeous silver embroidery, really nice big size. I'll be able to get all of my, you could keep makeup in there, or you could just keep, you know, your travelling witchcrafty bits in there. Very lovely. I like it a lot, and it's kind of, once you fold it out, it's that square shape. There we go. Pop it into shape because it's obviously been folded down flat. So yeah, and I love the tassel. And finally, I think this is the last item. Yep, we have got an altar cloth. Lovely. So we've got, let me get it so you can see it. We've got a lovely eye design in the middle. And then we've got closed eyes on each of the corners with moons and stars. Very nice indeed. Wow, I feel very, very spoiled. Thank you so, so much. And please, please, all of you watching, do me a favour and go check out their eBay store. Just hopefully we can spread a little bit of love and maybe some pennies in their direction. Yeah, oh, how lovely. So yeah, on the subject of things on Vinted, I did find when I was looking on Vinted, there's quite a lot of witch casket stuff on Vinted as well. So if you've ever seen me unbox something from a witch casket and you're sort of tempted and you want something for yourself, it's worth checking on there, because there are a few people selling stuff that they've got in witch caskets and they no longer want. So it's worth having a look at. But yes, these lovely ladies at Cursed and Curious, please do go show them some very spooky witchy love. Thank you so, so much for this. I love how serendipitous it was that from one broken mug has grown an entire collab. And I really like that for us. So thank you all for indulging me as I unbox this very exciting box. And yeah, as always, as we always do with the witch caskets, let me know what was your favourite thing that I unboxed today. And yeah, wow, I've been so, so spoiled that it may be that a few of these items do find their way into subscriber boxes as well. Because there is honestly a lot here that I would feel greedy keeping it all. So yeah, keep an eye out on that. On the subject of memberships, if you have recently become a member, please do contact me with your address so I can send you your stickers, because if I don't know where you are, I can't send you good things. So just keep that in mind. If you are joining up, you do need to then email me with your details, because YouTube doesn't pass them on to me. So yeah, if anybody is interested, details are always down below, of course, and I will leave details for Cursed and Curious in the description as well, so you can go and find them, and I will link to the Vinted shop too. That is all from me for today. Thank you so, so much. And until next time, stay crafty and, of course, stay spooky. A big crafty welcome to our newest Outer Circle member, Ghost in the House, Anne.